Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm thrilled to share an incredible method that'll supercharge your VS Code experience with AI integration. Trust me, this will revolutionize your programming workflow. First things first, head over to the Ollama website and get it installed. Once that's done, fire up your command prompt and type in Ollama. You'll see a whole array of commands pop up, all designed to interact seamlessly with large language models, LLMs. Now here's where it gets exciting. Navigate to the Ollama Models website and start browsing for your favorite LLMs. But here's a pro tip. Keep an eye out for models with the Tools tag. Those are the ones we're after. Let's grab the recently released Llama 3.2 model. You'll see options to select the version. Go ahead and choose the one that suits your needs. Copy the provided command, paste it into your terminal, and wait as the model downloads. Feel free to take it for a spin right there in the terminal by asking it some queries. But hold on to your hats because we're just getting started. Now let's dive into VS Code. Open up the extensions menu and search for Claude Dev. Install that bad boy. While you're at it, search for Continue and install that too. These two extensions are going to be your new best friends. Head into the Continue settings and select the downloaded model. In my case, that's Llama 3.2. Do the same for Claude Dev settings. Choose your provider and select your freshly installed model. Don't sweat it if you're unsure. Both extensions are smart enough to auto-detect your model. And here you have it. You're now armed and ready to code with AI assistance. The possibilities are endless, and your productivity is about to skyrocket. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how this setup works out for you. Until next time, happy coding.